What is up, guys? This is Yaxo, your principal for editor school. Today we're gonna start a very special series, and it's gonna be called how to make an over edit. So since over editing is is done a lot nowadays, I'm guessing you guys want to learn how to do that. So yeah, we're gonna make a series that every series we're gonna show like one effect on how to make an over edit. So the first tutorial we're gonna make is the one I think is the most overused and the best looking, and that is the one where when you shoot, it's like a little frog eye, or the screen kind of cracks. I don't know how to explain it, but you'll see. Here, I'll show you it right now. You can see it a little bit like when you shoot. Oh, right there. See, this is a really good, like a kind of good example. Since the guy added twitch to it, you can't really see it, but you can see a little bit. Like you see these white lines around it and stuff. So yeah, that effect is in After Effects. So yeah. So what I did was I added my clip and I added a color correction and I added Twixtor. So to save time for the tutorial. And what you're gonna want to do is go to the part where he shoots and you see the muzzle flash. Like, I already Twixtored it right when he shoots, so like, yeah, it starts Twixtoring then on. So what you want to do is you want to go to your effects and presets tab right here and search up CC vector blur. So if you can't see it right there, and if you don't have this effects and presets tab, just go to effect, make sure you click your clip, go to effect, blur and sharpen, and CC vector blur. So if you don't have this effect, you don't have the real After Effects. Well, you probably have the portable version, or you haven't registered your After Effects. So yeah, and now what you want to do is drag it onto your clip, and as soon as he shoots, you gotta keyframe it to nothing, go a frame or two ahead, and then keyframe it to 25 or whatever you want. Just mess around with those settings, and as you can see, it looks like that. You can mess around with all of these, angle, offset, whatever, just whatever suits your whatever if that made sense. Just mess around with those. I'm just doing random stuff, see what looks the best. And yeah, so then what you want to do is go ahead a couple frames, like to where you want it to stop, and just set the amount to 0. And if there's a better way you want to know how to do it, just click on your clip, click U to see all the keyframes, and right here's the CC vector blur. You can time it and stuff. So if you see it back, it just goes like boom, and then it goes into that thing for a second. You can make it longer if you want, doesn't matter. But usually in over edits, it's just for like a millisecond or something. So you can see it in the add twitch and stuff. So that's a really fast tutorial. And one more tip, guys, if you guys are new at using After Effects, you wanna, for your color corrections, you wanna add them not on the clip itself, but on the adjustment layer. So if you don't know how to do that, yeah, I'll show you an example. I'm gonna delete that adjustment layer, and that's how it looks. So what you wanna do is go to Layer, New, and Adjustment Layer. And it should be like this. Adjustment layer is basically nothing. It's just like a clear layer above it, and you can add effects to it, and it adds it to everything underneath it. So if you want to add like CC vector blur, you want to add it underneath the color correction so it looks better. And also color flashes, you want to add it underneath so it looks more cooler and stuff. So once you add the thing, you just go to effect, you go to whatever your color correction is. Mine's in Magic Bullet Looks. I recommend you guys get it. It's a really cool color correction program. Just go to edit, you go here. You can download packs, and I got this from the guy who made that video right there, Sammy. He's a really good editor, and I used this effect right here. All you gotta do is click it, and it's already a preset. Just click OK, and it's right there. See, it's really cool, guys. That was the first episode of how to make a over edit. If you guys have any suggestions or any effects you guys want to learn, just write them in the comment below, as long as the video, along with the video and the time where the effect is at, and I'll try and make a tutorial. So if you guys like this tutorial and you guys want more, like the video, comment on what you think I should do better, and subscribe. So guys, thanks for watching. I'm Yaxo, and I'm out. Peace.